All right, so hi again, and to you who are new here, what we are trying to do here is to build an awesome music creation tool, similar to Caustic, that more or less has been lost in the sea. But now what we're doing is to build something that is maybe even more fun to work with. So the current status, just to show you around a bit. So hi, um, let's show. It all started out as me trying to kickstart this, trying to save Caustic that has been lost, and you can find Caustic in the homepage if you go to Wayback Machine, and you can actually use the Wayback Machine to get the executable that works at least for Windows. I've got it working. I don't know about the Mac, but just single cell software.com, and you should have some around. Yeah, probably this is good enough, and you can just go here and you will find the links for the executable that you can, and it's really amazing app. It really is. So hats off to the developer who built that. Yeah, somewhere here is the link. Yeah, 3.2, and that where everything ended, 2017. So here you can find links for Windows and stuff, and I use the standalone. Anyhow, that's that. Where we are now with this saving Caustic project is that I'm building something new from scratch instead. And I took the detour through PHP because I didn't know C++. And it was very good doing that, because doing that, I built a tool for generating front end, so we can have something fancy like this. You see, with snapping and everything, quite easily. And this is all, of course, web driven. But this is just like a display where you can sense. I actually have a touch screen, so I can dial these slides just like it was a phone. So it's just a dummy terminal, just sending, the screen and you touch events to the sound engine that is run on the device really low in C++. So what also happened in the PHP was that I built some scripts that test the timing engine, so I can, for example, play some of these now for you. So you should hear these noises, and you can hear that it's in time and there's timing. So that means that a lot of efforts in having the in time later, it will be not be so hard. So where we are in this project with C++, it's a challenge to being able to use all the cores of a CPU that modern phones have, and at the same time, doesn't don't make them collide. So the next thing that will happen is that I will install this program on the Raspberry Pi, because that's similar to an Android device. So, and by the way, and also here's a GitHub page where you can download the Echo thing that I did in PHP. I wouldn't bother too much with it because I've kind of abandoned it now for using C++ instead. So we can turn that off, and I will show you now what's happening lately, because I know a lot of you have been following me and I'm just repeating myself. So here's the new thing, and that is that we can run this service, and you can start up the devices, the MIDI devices and the audio devices. Okay, as you can sound now, right? Yep. So now what we can do here is that we can send the new thing is that, of course, we can play doesn't go through the web browser, it goes directly from the USB port to the sound. And we can also now, through the web browser, send parameters to the synth, and for example send pan command, and we can also set a filter command, cut off, I think it's called cut off. And all this stuff is quite complicated. Oh, silly me, forgetting to turn off the noise. Sorry for that. But here you see I have lowered it to something more pleasant. Still playable though. Anyhow, I need you to do one thing, and that is click the subscribe button if you haven't, because it would be great if we could get just a small amount of money into this project. As now, for example, there's a big show in Bristol. I'd like to go there, but the fee is just too pricey for me. I don't want to take from. I can give this project my time, but I don't want to. It wouldn't make sense in the long run if I put in money into this project. Then it's better for. Yeah, you get it. Click subscribe. Just click subscribe. Do it. Okay. Take care.